welcome back to my YouTube channel. Summer Shea here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'm showing you guys how I get this flawless braid out. I do have it in a bun right now because I'm stretching it out so I can have that hang time. So today I partnered with Curls Unleashed to bring you this video, and I used two of their amazing products. First, I used the Curls Unleashed Cocoa and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and this is what it looks like. She's green, okay. And then second, I used the Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Honey Curl Defining Cream. And this one is like a pinky color. And so these two products together worked so well. Like, the leave-in conditioning cream conditioned my hair after I washed my hair and everything like that. And then the Curl Defining Cream helped define my braid out. So these two products work perfectly together. And then I also used the Curls Unleashed Apricot Oil Natural Whole Edge Gel so I could get my edges on slim so they hate on slim. So all in all, these products were bomb.com. They all smelled like really good, so now my hair smells good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video so you guys can see how I do my braid outs. Oh yeah, I did wear my braids to work for one day, so you'll see like my background switch in the middle of the video because I did my hair on Sunday night and then I wore my braids to work on Monday, and now it is Monday evening and I took my braids out on camera. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please continue watching. Alright guys, so we are starting off with freshly washed hair, and I know I'm in need of a good deep condition. But I'm going ahead and sectioning my hair into 4 equal sections. Now, I did this kind of messy, so my parts weren't straight at all, but you get the picture. We're doing 4 cornrows straight back. Now, I'm using some water to lightly dampen my hair and then using this brush to detangle. Then we're going in with our Curls Unleashed Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and this is the Cocoa and Shea Butter one, and this one was very lightweight and super hydrating. And then I also used the Curls Unleashed Curl Defining Cream, and this was the Shea Butter and Honey, and this one smelled really good and it helped define my curls for this braid out. After working this in with my brush, I'm going ahead and braiding my hair down. If you guys need a tutorial on how to cornrow or French braid, y'all let me know in the comment section below. But you're just simply braiding your hair straight back and picking up hair as you're going down the cornrow. And here I slow it down a little bit so you can kind of see that. And then you want to braid your hair all the way to the very end, and for your hair to stay, for the braid to stay, you want to finger coil the ends and then it'll curl up like that and your braid won't come loose. Now we're going to go ahead and do this to the rest of the head. So I'm applying the leave-in conditioning cream first and detangling my hair, and then adding in the curl defining cream and then braiding it back. So I like to use the excess product to help shape my edges and my baby hair, so that's what I'm doing right here. And then you'll see me going a little bit later with the edge gel to set my baby hairs in place. So y'all, baby hairs are essential if you plan on rocking this hairstyle, you know, out in public. You don't want to be looking like Mike or Lil Romeo. You want to be looking cute. So I'm laying down my baby hairs so I can look, you know, cute, because I did wear this hairstyle to work so it could dry for a whole 24 hours. And then once you got your baby hair swooped the way you want to, Then you want to go ahead and use your Curls Unleashed Natural Hold Edge Gel, and this is the apricot oil one. And this edge gel was like one of those edge gels that once you put it on your brush and once you brush them baby hairs, it ain't going nowhere. And so I wasn't expecting it to be this good, but this is definitely a bop. Oh yes, it's a bop. And so these are all my lovely products that I use in my hair and how my braids turned out. I wore this hairstyle to work the next day. And so here's me going to bed and here's me the next day. This is actually the following evening and my hair was about 95% dry. It wasn't fully dry, so you want to make sure your hair is fully dry when you take your braids out to avoid frizz. So as you unbraid your cornrow, you want to carefully detangle the hair and separate so you can get maximum volume. And so this is what the first braid looked like a fresh pack of Marley hair, girl. So when I go in and do the middle two braids, I usually leave about maybe 2 to 3 inches of the cornrow in, just for styling purposes. I think it looks super cute, and it pulls the hair back from your face so you can really see all those baby hairs, okay? So this is what we're looking like. All of the hair is unbraided and everything. And then we're gonna go in with our pick and fluff the hair out, try to get rid of some of these parts from where the braids were parted, and just to add some volume to this look. And that is pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll make sure to leave the names of all the products I use in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like more natural hair tutorials, make sure you give me some ideas in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be beautiful. Bye guys.
Always be by your side, girl, through rain or shine. You never left my mind, girl, so it's hard to find someone who will take the time like you. And I remember way back when, and all the time we spent, yeah.